What does a lighted wrench on your dashboard or MID screen mean? The lighted wrench is part of your vehicle's maintenance minder system, which notifies you when your vehicle needs service. When the oil life reaches 15%, you'll see the maintenance minder indicator wrench turn on. When the oil life reaches 5%, the service is due now. If the oil life reaches 0%, the service is overdue, and it will show the number of miles overdue with a negative sign in front of it. This number will flash until you have the vehicle serviced.